This is a big moment for the UK economy because as well as having energy prices increasing, we've had that confirmation from Ofgem, as well as having some intervention from the government to try and deal with that. We also have news that the Bank of England, well, two things really. The Bank of England has raised interest rates from 0.25% to 0.5%. It could have been more. 4 members of the Monetary Policy Committee were arguing for a half-point increase, so they would have gone up to 0.75%, just to give you a sense that they really are concerned about the rise in inflation. They forecast that inflation is going to go above 7% this spring. It's the highest level since 1991. But here is the most striking thing, really. When you look within their latest forecast, because they've just released their latest forecast for the state of the economy, when you look at all of these things put together, so the rise in energy prices, when you look at the rise in taxes, the tax burden very high at the moment, when you look at how weak earnings are compared with inflation, you're seeing the biggest fall in disposable incomes. So you're talking about post-tax labour income. That's the name of the series. The biggest fall in that series that we've ever seen, as far back as the records go. They go to 1990. They are falling, those labour income, disposable incomes, they are falling by 2% this year, according to the bank's forecast. We've never seen anything like that. And it just underlines what a cost of living crisis we're facing at the moment. The bank talking about that, talking about inflation, but saying that the risk of higher inflation is so great that even though this is going to cause more pain for families, particularly those on floating rate mortgages, not many people, but nonetheless some people, they are deciding nonetheless to raise interest rates. So a very big moment for the UK economy, given that just what they're seeing out there, the state of the economy too. And I should say, I mean, normally in any other day this would be a big story, but they've also cut their growth forecast by a significant amount as well. So put it all together and it really is a striking moment. It really feels like the moment that the cost of living crisis has become a living reality for many people, for millions of people around the country, and the Bank of England underlining that we really haven't seen anything like this for a long time.